Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to discuss latest work from home jobs in all over India. So since yesterday we have started releasing work from home jobs, so hope you are utilizing this. So you please go through with the jobs mentioned in this video. So if you are suitable with any of the profiles mentioned here, you can directly share your resumes to the provided mail IDs. So let's start our video. So firstly, there are openings for a Sunrise Systems Incorporation. They are looking for US recruiters. Currently work from home option is available. So minimum 6 months of experience is required. In client experience is must. So it is for Bangalore location. So if you are interested to apply for this position, you can go through with the benefits mentioned here, and also you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for a senior engineer position for Flightcase IT Services Private Limited. So bachelor's degree is required to apply for this position with minimum 4 years of experience and above. So you can go through with the skills required here. So it would be work from home opportunity, permanent job. So if you want to apply for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for a Krishna Innovative Software Private Limited. So they are looking for a main stock developer, React JS developer and Node.js developer positions. So for work from home. So you should have minimum 1 year of experience to apply for these positions, and also you should have experience in JavaScript, React.js, Node.js, Express.js and all these things. So you can go through with the skills mentioned here and also other details. So if you are suitable to apply for these positions, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are many openings available from Aditi Consulting. So they are looking for the various positions mentioned here, such as US technical recruiters, senior US technical recruiters and technical recruiters day shift, and also team lead, senior team lead and CSM account manager and recruitment manager, and at last associate recruitment manager. So you can also go through with the qualifications and skills mentioned here. So for the candidates, it would be like a work from home option is available until COVID. So after that, you need to work on site Bangalore or Vadodara post COVID. So for some selected candidates, a permanent work from home option is available. So if you are suitable to apply for any of the positions mentioned here, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings available for SEES Holdings. So they are looking for a Java backend developer and also Android developer. So the candidates from IIT, BITS, NIT are most eligible for these positions with minimum 3 years of experience. So interested candidates, you can go through with the interview details and timings and also other details mentioned here. So it would be permanent work from home option. So this option is available. So if you are suitable to apply for these positions, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for a Qvantius Technologies. So they are looking for a senior QA engineer. So work from home opportunities available. You should have 4 to 6 years of experience, and also you should have knowledge in automation testing, manual testing and all these things. You please go through with the skills required for this position. So if you are suitable to apply for this position, you can also share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for a Techmozo Solutions Private Limited. They are looking for a QA roles and also multiple vacancies. So both freshers and experienced are eligible. So you can go through with all the details mentioned here. I mean location details and all these things. So if you want to apply for these positions, you can share your resume to the provided mail IDs. Next one, there is a job opening for sales manager. It is for a reputed edutech company for Mumbai location. So salary would be up to 8 lakhs per annum and graduation is mandatory, and also you should have experience in B2C sales. At least 1 year is mandatory. So you should have your own laptop and all these things. You can go through with the requirements mentioned here. So presently work from home option is available. After the COVID, you need to relocate to Gurgaon or Mumbai location. So if you are interested to apply for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for a IT recruiters for US IT staffing. So it is for a Xiotech INC. So you should have 1.5 to 4 years of experience to apply for these positions. So work from home option is available presently till March 22nd. So you can go through with the working hours, salary details, and also skills you should have and all these things. So if you want to apply for these positions, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for a experienced recruiters or senior recruiters for a mind lanes. So the candidates should have 2 to 5 years of working experience in US IT recruitment. So you can go through with the qualifications mentioned here. So it would be a permanent work from home option. So permanent work from home option is available for these positions. So if you are interested to apply, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for a ASP.NET developer. So you should have knowledge in ASP.NET, MVC, CH and jQuery and SQL, and so you can work from anywhere. Work from home option is available. So you can go through with the responsibilities and the skills mentioned here. So if you are suitable to apply for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for a business development executive work from home. So it is for a action villa marketplace. So BBA background is preferred for this position with minimum 6 months of experience working in a similar role, and salary would be 15,000 to 35,000 rupees for 3 months. After that renegotiation is available. So you can go through with the extra requirements and other details mentioned here for this position, and if you want to apply for this position, you can also share your resume to the provided mail ID. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.